guys, so today on Not Weirdo, I'm going to do a squishy package. So, yeah, I got two things. This is going to be part one of, I think, either 3 or 2 parts. So, because I ordered more and, sorry, you need to get comfortable there. These were the ones that came. So, let's do this. I got this little one. It's the Korilakuma. It's the white one holding the cheeseburger. It's a little dense and stuff, but it's really cute, so I still like it. And then the next one, I took it out of the packaging, so I'll put it back in. But it's this Rilakkuma bread loaf, and it has the chocolate dipped ear, and it's really cute. What is life? Anyways, so yeah, let's take it out. And it smells pretty weird, but I'll just spray some perfume on it. So yeah, it's really slow rising. It's really squishy. It's like a marshmallowy texture. Oh yeah, let's give it a big squish. Yes. So that's the one. Do you see that? It's just so squishy. It smells stinky but squishy. Yay! Yeah. It's so squishy. This? It's so squishy. Get back. Do you see? Look at that. Do you see? Oh. So yeah, I got this one out. So I got this one and this one so far. This one's still rising. Yeah. So I'm gonna be uploading I think I'm gonna be uploading it the day that I got these. So if I uploaded it on Saturday, then that is the actual day I got them. So yeah. Part 2 will be coming up sometime in April because coming from like a really long distance. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you click over here, you'll see my brother's channel. And over here, there's some more squishy videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.